Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making baked ziti. So I'm using ground beef. I'm just seasoning it, and then I'm gonna add onions and stir it up. Once the ground beef was done, I went ahead and started the sausage. I'm using the hot Italian sausage. I'm just gonna cook that up. Once it's done, I'm gonna mix everything together. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce and then some ricotta cheese. And I'm just gonna mix everything in really well. Once the meat was done, I went ahead and made the noodles. And now I'm just gonna be layering the baked ziti. So I started with the noodles, then I'm gonna add the meat, then some ricotta cheese, and I'm gonna use the triple cheddar cheese and mozzarella mixed together. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. So now I'm going to be adding some more sauce on top and then some more meat and cheese, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. Once I took it out the oven, it was a little crispy. That's how I like it, and it was very cheesy too.